Creating your event on Ticketmelon is easy and straightforward. In this tutorial, we'll take you through every step. From creating your account, adding an organizer profile, setting up event details, ticket types, page design, and finally, publishing your event. Let's get started. First, let's create a Ticketmelon account. You can use the same Ticketmelon account you've used before to purchase tickets. There's no need to register again. Simply log in or sign up to get started. After signing in, click on Event Organizer in the top right corner. You'll be redirected to the Event Manager page. Click the Add Organizer button to create your organizer profile. Fill in the required organizer information such as your organizer name, phone number, and URL. Now, let's move on to creating your event. From your organizer page, click Create Event. This will take you to the event details section. Fill in the basic information about your event. Start with your event name, then set your event URL. Only the last part of the link is needed. For example, if you want your link to be www.ticketmelon.com/event/myfirstevent, just type My First Event in the field. Select your time zone and set the date and time of your event. If your event has multiple sessions or days, click Add More Date and set the additional times. Choose your location by typing the venue name and details. Then use the Google Maps search box below to pin the exact spot. This pinned location will appear on your event page. In the description section, enter your event details. You can customize text formatting and even insert photos or embed videos. Set your age restriction. If there's no restriction, simply select No Age Restriction. Select your event categories and hashtags to make your event easier to find. When finished, click Save to continue. Next, let's create your tickets. Click Add New Ticket to begin. Enter the ticket name, for example, General Admission or VIP ticket, the quantity available for purchase, and the entry date. Make sure to specify which date each ticket is valid for. Set your sales period to control when tickets become available. Then, enter the ticket price in Thai baht. The system will automatically calculate the total price, including Ticketmelon fees, and show your final net revenue. For VAT, you can choose whether to include it in the ticket price or not. In the Advanced Ticket Settings section, you can set the minimum and maximum number of tickets a buyer can purchase per order. Choose whether to show or hide the ticket type on your event page. Display the remaining number of tickets to create urgency for buyers. You can add more ticket types by clicking Add New Ticket again. You can also create ticket sections to group your ticket types. For example, 3-day pass general admission and 1-day pass general admission can each have sub-ticket types like GA Tier 2. Now, let's design your event page. Click Upload Poster to add your event's main image. Next, click Upload Cover Image. You can then adjust the page colors, including the background, box content, and button colors, to match your branding. When you're satisfied, click Save. If you'd like ticket buyers to fill in personal details, such as their full name or other information, go to the Registration Form tab. Click Add New Form to add custom questions. The registration form will appear for buyers to fill out before they reach the checkout page. In Advanced Settings, you can configure additional options like Refund Settings. Decide whether refunds are allowed for your event. Event Organizer's Disclaimer. Add terms and conditions or refund disclaimers for your attendees. Once you've completed all the setup steps, click Request to Publish. Your event will be reviewed by the Ticketmelon team within approximately 48 hours. While your event is pending, it will show the status Pending. You won't be able to make edits during this time. Editing will only be available again once your event is published. After approval, your event will go live on Ticketmelon and be visible to ticket buyers. And that's it. You've successfully created your event on Ticketmelon. Once your event is approved, you're ready to start selling tickets. For more tutorials and helpful guides, visit the Ticketmelon Help Center. Host, manage, and grow your event only with Ticketmelon.